Well, I hope I was coming to you guys in a better circumstance, but I want to make sure you guys get the information because I actually already recorded some videos and I'm just in the process of editing. But hey, I'm in a plane right now. I wasn't expecting to be in here right now, but that's okay. So, three things I want to cover with you guys. First, Deeper Network does have a new product out. Deeper Connect Air. It's on Indiegogo, and they're trying to raise $50,000, which is wild. No, it's not wild. They've raised over $2 million all of the last years that they've done this. They already met the $50,000 that they're looking for this time around. But the cool part of it is the product itself. They're launching the Deeper Connect Air, which is, again, it's a decentralized VPN, but it's really mobile, really portable. I actually have one in my bag right now, and I'm definitely going to be using it during this trip that I'm in. I talked about Deeper Network a bunch of times. If you're looking for a decentralized VPN, this is a really good option if you're looking for it in the hardware form. They have a token. The token is not that great. There are pros and cons to this device, as there always are. The biggest one I would say is that it does get a little bit hot, but hey, it actually does the job. So I'm not complaining. It's a really good piece of equipment that I would put my money behind it. Thankfully, guys at Deeper Network did send me one out before the ship out, so I'll be able to share that, in depth for you with you guys. Like I said, it's already ready to go. I see it finished editing, and I was hoping to get it out this morning, but things took a little bit of a side turn. Second thing, I guess I'm supposed to tell you that this video is sponsored by GEODNET, or that video will be sponsored by GEODNET. Now, I do appreciate those guys over there. They're doing something really cool with plug-and-play miners, but most of all, they're just pretty cool tech, right? Like, that's what I love, in the end, is looking at what are you doing and is it worthwhile? Because you can attach blockchain technology. It's just about anything, but doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to decentralize this network. And for them, it does. And I really do like their product. I like what they're doing. And the reason I've been talking about them is not because they are, sponsoring or supporting yourself, but because they have staking coming online, and most people don't even know about it. So, yeah. So if you're able to get Geo tokens, I'm looking for a decent upside potential with that token, even in this bear market. Because when staking comes on, you're going to have people finding token to stake. Other people that are mining aren't even selling the tokens, just a full part of it as well. So keep an eye out for those guys. They're doing something really cool, really incredible. So that's one. That's two. And the third one is, I'm not sure you guys do feel like you have to buy a device all the time for this season. I've worked with some here with Max.ai, which is a really cool website that allows people to download a decentralized VPN, but in the browser format. So there's no, upfront cost necessarily for this platform, but it allows you to have a decentralized VPN similar to Deeper Network, but instead of going the hardware route, these guys are doing it the software route. Really cool product, really awesome thing those guys are building, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it. But yeah, Indiegogo is where the Deeper Connect Air is at. You just go to Deeper. The secrets make it easy for you. I'll do this right now. Yes, even on the plane, we're going to go deeperair.action.co. That way you can get that really easily. You don't have to, stress too much on how to find it or get to it. Really easy way for you to get to that thing. GeoDNet. I put a few videos on there. I'll try to link it on this video as well, so you can get right back to it. You go see what those guys are building. It's all good stuff all around. I'm excited that I changed my plans. Things are going a little wild, but that I still able to kind of get you guys information and keep you up to date as far as what's going on. So I appreciate all of you. I can see you guys on the next video. Take care.